Welcome back to Bite-Sized Philosophy. We'll be continuing on with lessons on Anaximander. The infinite, apeiron, is the origin. Anaximander, often seen as a disciple of Thales, also lived in Miletus, a luminary amongst the pre-Socratics, establishing the concept of the apeiron, a limitless, inexpressible principle at the heart of everything. Dissimilar to Thales' precise focus on water, Anaximander proposed this boundless substance transcended tangible elements such as fire or air, instead standing as an all-encompassing fount that the universe arises from and will eventually return to. He depicted the cosmos as seized in a grand cycle where all things emerge from this limitless reservoir and later dissolves back into it. This perspective challenged the more tangible theories of his predecessors, approaching philosophical thought into a more conceptual domain. The apeiron, he declared, maintained a balance between opposing conditions, such as cold and hot, dry and wet, by existing outward of these divisions entirely. Anaximander's labor took metaphysical theorizing to new heights, urging future generations of philosophers to consider causes beyond the sincerely physical. His leaps from physical elements to an impalpable essence expanded the landscape of philosophical exploration, encouraging a shift from mythical narratives towards sensible principles guiding the cosmos. In essence, Anaximander chiseled an important route towards deeper examining of the universe's core nature. This concludes our first of 3 lessons on Anaximander.